with our today's classes. Yes. So yesterday was Sunday, you enjoyed your time. Day before that was Saturday, was again a holiday. So 2 days holidays you have enjoyed, and I hope you are practicing your work as well. Okay. Now it's time to begin with our today's classes. So can anyone tell me what is the date today? 8th February 2021, and the day is Monday. Yes. So what are we going to do now? It's our maths period and we are going to practice counting, but in a different way. Normally मैम आपको जब बोलती है we are going to practice counting, आपको लगता है अब मैम बोलेंगी we have to write numbers from 1 to 70. No, you cannot. Sorry, no, you have not to do that. What you are supposed to do is missing numbers. And I hope you know what are missing numbers, because we have done this work previously also. It's a revision that ma'am is taking with you. So missing number is missing. कुछ नहीं मिल रहा, मिस हो गया. Yes. So here I have written some numbers. But वो numbers लिखते लिखते मैम ने भी कुछ मिस कर दिया. As sometimes it happens with you ना. आप जब काउंटिंग की प्रैक्टिस करते हो तो कुछ ऊपर नीचे हो जाता है. Then which ma'am tells you कि ये गड़बड़ हो गई है, या sometimes मम्मा ही चेक कर लेती है. So today what happened when ma'am was writing these numbers on board ना, मैम से भी कुछ numbers miss हो गए. I also forgot. अब क्या करना है? Now we all of us, मैम और आप सब मिलके क्या करेंगे? उन मिसिंग नंबर्स को सर्च करेंगे और लिखेंगे. सर्च कैसे करेंगे? We are just going to call them. हम उन्हें ढूंढने नहीं जाएंगे, बस उनका नंबर बोलेंगे. They will come and we will place them here. ठीक है? That means अब हमें क्या करना है? जो ये blanks दिए हैं इनको fill करना है. We are going to write the numbers that needs to be here. Okay? So let's begin with the work. The first number that is given to you is, can you read this number? 14. It's not 1 4, it's 14. So what number is this? 14. So class, if the missing number is given like this, अगर इस तरह से आपको सीरीज दी जाएंगी तो क्या होगा? आपको हमेशा फर्स्ट नंबर लिखा हुआ होगा. Then you have to start your counting from that number. Clear? There are two ways of missing number. One is this कि अलग-अलग सीरीज ऑप्ट की हुई है, अलग-अलग सीरीज को पिक किया मैम ने और उनमें मिसिंग नंबर डाल दिए. तो आपको क्या करना है? What you have to do? You will start seeing your counting from the first number. आप देखेंगे हर बॉक्स में मैम ने फर्स्ट नंबर मेंशन किया है. But the other way of doing missing number is we are going to do in the notebook, क्योंकि वो हम पूरी काउंटिंग लिखेंगे. So it will be a doubly practice. आपका वो काउंटिंग प्रैक्टिस भी होगी और वो मिसिंग नंबर प्रैक्टिस भी होगी. So it's your wish, you can do it in both the ways. One as your class work, one as your homework. Is it clear? So let's start doing this now. So the first number given is 14. Can you tell me what comes after 14 when you say you're counting? 15. Yes. So what we will do? We will write 15 like this. What comes after 15? 16. So we are going to write 16. Then 17 is already given to you. Now tell me what comes after 17? 18. So what we will do? We will write 18. Then we have 19, and after 19 we have 20. So we'll write 20. अब 20 लिखने के बाद no blank is given to you. आपको कोई blank नहीं दिया हुआ. That means you will not write anything, and here comes the end. यहाँ पे हमें इसे finish करना है. Understood? Okay. Now moving to the next. What number is this? Read it, because you all know how to write numbers till 58. So we will write 58. Now 58 is done. What is the next number we are going to write? 59 given है. Then we have 60. Now tell me what is to be written here. What comes after 60? 61. Very good. So we will write 61. What comes after 61? 62. So we are going to write that here. And 63 is given. कोई और blank नहीं है. Finish. So 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63. Like this you can cross check your work also. इस तरह से आप अपने work को, अपनी counting को check भी कर सकते हैं. Clear? Next we have is 40. So after 40 we have 41. What is the next number to be written here? What comes after 41? 42. So we will write 42. Then what you are going to write here? 43. Yes. So we will write 43. What is the next number that comes after 43? 44. So we will write 44. Now, what comes after 44? 45. So you are going to write 45. And 46 is given. So let's see that. 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. That means we have done it correctly now. Next we have 63. So what comes after 63? 64. Then 65. Counting ही लिखनी है आपको. 66 जो नंबर लिखा है उसको रीड करो. Then we move to the next. 67, 68, 69. Is that clear? Now next we have 25. After that 26. So we will write 26. Then we have 27. And after that 28, 29, 30 and last 31. तो जब आप इस तरह से काउंटिंग को बोलेंगे, if you are not practiced or thorough with your oral counting, तो गड़बड़ होगी. Clear? So always practice your counting orally every day and try to practice your written counting also at least once every day. Is that clear? Now the last series given to us is, what is the first number written here? 37. सबसे पहले 37 लिखा है. So let's speak the number that comes afterwards. 37 के बाद क्या आएगा? 38. So let's write 38. Then we have 39, 40, 41, 42, and what is the last number written? To be written there? 43. So we will write 43. Understood? Like this we have to do the work of missing numbers. Once one of the way of doing missing number is this. आपको ऐसे भी missing number पूछे जा सकते हैं, or it can be given in the form the way we are going to do it in the notebook now. Clear? So now it's time. Open your notebook, write down today's date and see how we are going to do missing number in notebook today. Is that clear to everyone? The one thing that you have to remember is your oral counting. Okay? Open your notebook and let's see the work. So class, now open your maths notebook and see how we are going to do today's work. Okay? So today we are going to do missing number. So what is the meaning of missing number? I have told you कि जो भी numbers लिखे हैं मैम ने, मैम लिखते लिखते कुछ numbers को miss कर गए. So now you have to find out कि जब हमने counting लिखी, जब मैम ने numbers लिखे, तो कौन से numbers miss हो गए. Clear? And we are going to complete them all. Understood? So the first thing we are going to do is date. Very good. So let's write down today's date and mention classwork. Clear? Now write down the topic missing numbers. What I have done, I have written counting, and while I was writing this counting, मैम ने बीच में कुछ blanks छोड़े हैं. So these are the missing numbers. You can take such type of work from your parents. They can make they can make your notebook like this, and after that you can do the work. So let's start doing our work now. Great. So I have written numbers from 1 to 70. Can you see here? So this is what we have learnt ना. हमने जो counting की है, we have learnt our numbers from 1 to 70. Writing. Oral we have done, but writing we have done till 70. So let's see which are the numbers missing in the series here, and we are going to write them. Okay? So 1. Now I have missed something here. क्या आएगा यहाँ पे? 2. Yes. So like this you will write down 2. 3. What should I write here? 4. 5. 6. Again something is missing. 7. 8. 9. Very good. And last 10. So let's check it once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That means now we have completed this. Now next. See यहाँ पे एक blank दिया हुआ है and I have written 12 here. तो उससे पहले what comes before 12? 11. Yes. So we are going to write 11, 12. Now again something is missing. 13, 14. What comes after 14? 14 के बाद 15. So we will write 15. Then 16, 17. So what comes after 17? 18. So we are going to write 18. Then 19. Very good. And after 19, 20. So as we have done the checking of this one, we are going to check here also. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Done? Okay. Now we have 21. So what will come after 21 now? 22. Then we have 23, 24. So what comes after 24? 25. Then we have, what comes after 25? 26, 27. So after 27, 28, 29 and last 30. Clear? Okay. Now after 30, let's check this line also. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. ठीक है? So when we will complete each line, we should check it. हर बार उसको एक बार चेक ज़रूर करिए, so that you will come to know कि अगर कोई नंबर आपने गलत लिखा है, कुछ मिस्टेक की है, you can correct it. Then we have 31, 32, 33. Yes. we will write 33, 34. What we have here? 34. Then 35, 36. So what comes after 36? 37. What comes after 37? 38, 39 and last 40. So let's check it. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. After 40, यहाँ पे क्या आना चाहिए? 41. Yes. 41, 42, 43, then we have 44, then 45. So what comes after 45? 46. Then we have 47. After that 48. What comes after 48? 49. And after 49 we have 50. Okay. So now next number given to you is 51. What comes after 51? 52, 53. Then after 53, 54. 55 is given. Then we will write 56. 57 is also given. Now what comes after 57? 58. 59 is given to us. What comes after 59? 60. Clear? अब यहाँ पे 60 है and here we have 62. So there is something missing here. Tell me what is missing? 61. Very good. 61. 62. So what will come after 62? 63. After 63 we have 64. Then we have 65. For 66 is given. So what comes after 66? 67. Then we have something after 67. 68. Very good. After that 69. And in last we have 70. Clear? So this is how you will do the topic missing number today in your notebook. Understood? So once you are going to do as classwork and homework will be again practice the same work. What you have done in classwork you are going to do same on the next page once again. Is that clear to all of you how to do your today's work? So class, I hope you have understood how you are going to finish your today's work in which we have learnt or we have practiced about missing numbers. So both the ways the work can be done and in both the ways missing number can be asked also. Clear? Missing number करने के लिए you just need to know your counting. वो आपसे चाहे किस भी फॉर्म में पूछी जा रही है, either like this or in other ways or the way we have done in the notebook, आपसे अगर काउंटिंग को कंप्लीट करने के लिए कहा जा रहा है, आपको ये बोला जा रहा है you have to just see what number is missing and write, तो उसके लिए सिर्फ क्या होना चाहिए, आपकी जो काउंटिंग है वो बिल्कुल अच्छे से आपको लर्न होनी चाहिए orally also and you should be aware कि वो लिखना कैसे. Is that clear? So keep practicing your counting orally as well as written, both the ways every day. Okay? Bye for now. Finish your work and get ready for today's next class. Just think of it. It will be going to be very interesting. Okay?